You all should have two documents, two packages each. One will be a recent unfair labor practice. The other one will be a Supreme Court ruling that we're going to reference. I've been here before. My name is Robert Kraft. I'm a former employee. Technically, I've never had due process, so I'm still an employee, but I'm not getting paid. This is an unfair labor practice that was filed recently. We're going to go to the blue tab, and we're going to flip. I'm sorry. So on the blue tab, this is a summary of the Department of Labor investigation regarding me being terminated. They determined that the violation was discrimination and it was disciplinary action, and their conclusion and recommendations. It also says just above that, in compliance status, that refusal to remedy or resolve. If you'll go to the purple tab and you'll flip one page back. At the bottom of the second paragraph, I want to read this. Ms. Tetterall, that the case will be submitted on Monday as a refusal to reinstate and pay unless she is contacted prior to that date. No response was received, therefore the file is being submitted to the recommendation of review for further legal action to secure Mr. Kraft's back wages and reinstatement to his position. That's the Department of Labor results. If you go to the next page, the purple tab, this is the discrimination charges from EEOC. They received about 10,000 pages and documents, over 20 or 30 packages. The EEOC filed based on the video that I made on September 8th with you, and no documents. Files were charged, or EEOC charges were filed on September 15th of 2020. The next document is a Supreme Court ruling, a public employee's right to predetermination hearing under due process clause of the 14th Amendment. So, at this time, no hearing has taken place. Please go to the yellow tab. It says to have property interest in a benefit, a person clearly must have more than the abstract need or desire for it. He must instead have a legitimate claim of entitlement. When you read my emails, and at the bottom it said that I was enacting the First Amendment and 14th Amendment, I was making the written claim based on this. And it was prepared that way for a reason, so that I could make the tangible property claim to my job. If you'll go to the red tab, I'm going to read the last sentence of what's highlighted. It says, at very least, Roth and Sinderman established a new way of examining the concept of property under due process clause of the 14th Amendment. So, I stand before you. The claim's been made. Can I just 1 second? I want to answer something for him that.
Sir, you're out of time. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Thank you.
Reasonable is in Nolan's law dictionary.
Thank you, sir.
You can look up the answer.